Good morning, my dear students. I am Dr. Preethi, handling Dr. Preethi's digital tuition. With your CBSE math examination approaching, that is on March 10th, 2025, it is very important to approach your examination with more focus and confidence. I would like to give you some tips to help you to prepare the examinations effectively. Dear students, please follow the 7 tips to score high marks. Tip number 1. Know the syllabus and exam pattern. Tip number 2. Master the NCERT textbook. Tip number 3. Focus on weak areas. Tip number 4. Practice previous year papers and mock test. Tip 5. Prioritize formulae and theorems. Tip 6. Time management. The last tip, very important, stay positive and healthy. Students, I am handling the mathematics for the past 10 years. Most students are always complaining about the topic which is called as trigonometry. Okay, let's start with the trigonometry formula today. Hello my dear students. Now we are going to see the trigonometry, the complete formula list. So here we are going to assume a right angle triangle. So in a right angle triangle we have 3 sides. So here we can say the longest side, which is called as a hypotenuse, and a opposite side perpendicular, and then we'll be having a adjacent side which is called as a base. So let us assume A, B and C, and please have an angle here theta. The basic trigonometric function formulas, now we are going to see it here. So sine theta, which is equal to opposite side divided by hypotenuse. So we can write AB by AC, opposite side by hypotenuse. And then cos theta, which is equal to adjacent side divided by hypotenuse. So we can write BC by AC. And for tan theta, we can write opposite by adjacent side. So tan theta is equal to opposite by adjacent. We can write AB by BC. And now we can correlate with cosecant theta, secant theta and cot theta, because these are inverse of these trigonometric functions. So now we can write the cosecant theta will be 1 by sine theta. So simply we can write here AC by AB. And cos theta is the inverse function of secant theta. So my dear students, please write secant theta to be as for this right angle triangle, I can write AC by BC. And tan theta, no, it is the inverse of cot theta. So cot theta is equal to BC by AB. These are the basic 6 trigonometric functions. And this one is called as a trigonometry table, which is commonly used for solving the problems. So here, my dear students, I hope many students have memorized like 0, 1 by 2, 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2, 1. So 1 root 3 by 2, 1 by root 2, 1 by 2, 0. So 0, 1 by root 3, 1 root 3 infinity. I know many students have memorized. Am I right? So for this, I am going to give a simple tip. Just imagine you'll be having the things like 0, okay, 0 and quarter, and then half, and then 3/4, okay, and then 1. Just imagine these numbers. Okay, we understood, no? 0, quarter, half, 3/4 and 1. And for these numbers, take the square root, my dears. So take the square root of these numbers. Then we can fill the sine, cos and tan. See, the roots sine theta we are going to fill it out. For sine 0, root 0 is 0. Okay, root of 1 by 4 means we can write 1 by 2. And here root 1 is 1, we can write 1 by root 2. And here you can write root 3 by 2. Root 1 is 1. Okay, and for cos theta, take the reversal. Okay, take the reversal. So 1 root 3 by 2, 1 by root 2, 1 by 2 and 0. And tan theta, you know about it. It is nothing but sin theta by cos theta. So 0 by 1, 0. Here we can write 1 by root 3. Here 1. Here root 3. 1 by 0 gives you infinity. If you want to find out the cosecant theta, it means that it is the inversion of sin theta. So we can write what? 1 by 0 means infinity, 2 root 2, 2 by root 3 and then 1. So similarly fill out the secant theta. This is the inversion of cos theta. And then fill out the cot theta, which is the inversion of tan theta. I hope you understood. The next one, we are going to focus on the co-function identities. Nothing but we are focusing on the trigonometric functions complementary angles. Okay. So simply we can write it here. Sin 90 minus theta gives you cos theta. Cos 90 minus theta, which is equal to sin theta. And then tan 90 minus theta, which is equal to cot theta. Okay. And then cot 90 minus theta, which is equal to tan theta. Secant 90 minus theta, which is equal to cosecant theta. And then cosecant 90 minus theta, which is equal to secant theta. It will be highly helpful while solving the problems. So kindly make a note of it. Next one, we are going to focus sum and difference identities. Sum and difference identities. So this formula will also be highly helpful for you. So the first formula is sum sin of a plus b. Sin of a plus b is equal to sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. Okay. So just remember this one. If you want to get a difference, sin of a minus b is equal to, dear students, kindly change the symbol. So what will you get? Sin a cos b minus cos a sin b. Okay. Then we can move on to cosine. So cos of a plus b. Cos of a plus b is equal to cos a cos b minus sin a sin b. Okay. If you want to get the difference of cosine function, cos of a minus b is equal to, just change the symbol. So you will get cos a cos b plus sin a sin b. Okay. Now we have to move on to tangent function. Tan of a plus b, which is equal to tan a plus tan b divided by 1 minus tan a into tan b. For difference tan of a minus b, which is equal to, dear students, kindly change the symbol. So tan a minus tan b divided by 1 plus tan a into tan b. So remember any three formulas, like remember the sum formulas correctly. The difference formulas and all know, you can get it very easily. Okay. So these formulas are also very helpful for solving the problems. We are going to focus on double angle identities. Yeah. The first formula is sin 2x equal to 2 sin x cos x. Here we can write it to be as 2 tan x by 1 plus tan square x. Okay. This is a formula for sin 2x.
And for cos 2x is equal to cos square x minus sin square x, which is equal to 1 minus tan square x by 1 plus tan square x. Okay. And for similarly, we can go for the cos 2x will be, we can write it as 2 cos square x minus 1, which is equal to 1 minus 2 sin square x. Okay. And next one, tan 2x. Tan 2x is equal to 2 tan x by 1 minus tan square x. And then secant 2x, which is equal to secant square x divided by 2 minus secant square x. Okay. Next formula, cosecant 2x equal to secant x into cosecant x divided by 2. Dear students, these formulas are highly helpful. You are going to apply these formulas in the problems. Okay dears. So please have a glance. One, we are going to focus on triple angle identities. Triple angle identities. So here we are focusing on three things, the three trigonometric functions, sine, cos and tan. So sine 3x is equal to 3 sine x minus 4 sine cube x. Okay. And next one is cos 3x equal to 4 cos cube x minus 3 cos x. And next one is, we can write tan 3x is equal to 3 tan x minus tan cube x divided by 1 minus 3 tan square x. Okay. These identities belongs to triple angle. Next one, we are focusing it on half angle identities. Half angle identities. The first formula, sine x by 2 equal to plus or minus root of 1 minus cos x by 2. And next one, cos x by 2 equal to plus or minus, you have to change the symbol, 1 plus cos x by 2. The next one, tan x by 2 is equal to square root of 1 minus cos x by 1 plus cos x. On rationalizing the expression, we will get 1 minus cos x by sin x. Okay. So kindly make a note of it. Half angle identities. Now we have to focus on product identities. The formulas are sin x into cos y, which is equal to sin of x plus y plus sin of x minus y divided by 2. Okay. And next one, cos x cos y, cos x into cos y equal to cos of x plus y plus cos of x minus y divided by 2. And next function, sin x into sin y, which is equal to cos of x minus y minus cos of x plus y divided by 2. These are the product identities. Next one, we have to focus on sum to product identities. Sum to product identities. So here we have to focus on 4 formulas. Sin x plus sin y, which is equal to 2 sin x plus y by 2 into cos x minus y by 2. And next one, sin x minus sin y, which is equal to 2 cos x plus y by 2 into sin x minus y by 2. And next one, cos x plus cos y, which is equal to 2 cos x plus y by 2 into cos x minus y by 2. The last formula, cos x minus cos y, which is equal to minus 2 sin x plus y by 2 into sin x minus y by 2. Yes, my dears, these formulas are highly helpful while solving the problems. Kindly go through it. Last but not least, the basic 3 trigonometric entities which we have to study it. The first one is sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. The next one is secant square theta minus tan square theta equal to 1. And next one is cosecant square theta minus cot square theta equal to 1. These 3 identities are highly helpful in solving the problems.